How to change the number combination of your belt bag lock number. Normally, the lock number combination is 000. To change the number combination, just simply press the both side lock. Continue press the both side lock. Then select the number you want. Once you select the number you want, release the lock and try to open. That's it. The original number lock has been changed. We have luggage travel bag here. The procedure is same. Just push the small button on the side. Just push the small button on the side. Make sure that the combination number is set up an original combination while the button is pressed. Turn the number and select which you want, then release once you're done.